Hello guys, welcome back to the Trading Insights channel. In today's video, we will be talking about what 4 years of learning Forex has taught me and why I almost gave up on Forex, and while I'm still here trading, it's still me, Ememiya, as you know as well. The reason why I'm still carrying us through my life process on Forex trading is because I want us to reset our mind. I want to refresh our mind back so we can know the reason why we started Forex, so we can start afresh, understand everything about Forex, so that we can view Forex in a different way. Because there are a lot of us that are emotionally damaged, like because of too much of trading, lack of adequate information and the rest. So that's why I'm doing this, because I want us to reset our head. We should prepare our head for the best, prepare our brains and mind for the best. And after this video, this is the last video about my life. The next video I'll be talking about is going to be on market structure, because I'm taking us from the real beginning of Forex, that's price action. I'm taking us from the real beginning, because that is where you would learn and understand in order to be able to trade in the future. Because after everything I did, like after learning everything, I still had to go back to price action, which is I still had to go back to the real beginning of how I started learning Forex. That was what helped me to scale up now, to understand more. So that's why I'm taking you guys back from the real beginning, because Forex is not really difficult if you can comprehend about few certain things that I'm gonna be listing in my next video. You will trade Forex successfully, honestly. But before we go there, now what have I learned in my past 4 years of trading Forex? One, consistency. If you are not consistent, you can't make it in Forex. Believe me. If you are not consistent, you cannot make it in Forex. You have to be consistent. Just like other fields that you go, you learn, and then you become a master of that field. You have to be consistent before you can make it in Forex. If you are not consistent, the honest truth is you cannot make it in Forex. So consistency matters a lot in Forex trading. Then secondly, you need the right information. You need the right information, honestly. You need the right information in order to progress in Forex. Please stay through this video. Please stay through this video. It is very important. I'm resetting our minds. I want us to have a fresh mind or a fresh start. Stay through this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please, I'll urge you to subscribe to this channel, because this is a one big family, and this is a winning team also, because this family is not just an ordinary family, and this is a winning team also. Please, so if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel, because there's a whole lot you will learn here, most especially when I start doing my live lessons like analysis, teaching you on the chart how to do it. Forex is very easy when you understand those few things that has to do with it, those few rules and regulations, few do's and don'ts. Once you understand them, it is very easy for you to trade Forex. Now, the only place that looks a little bit complicated is the confirmation. How to get confirmations of entry, like entry confirmations and exit. Those places are always difficult, but I was able to learn and scale through that place. So I'm gonna also teach you guys. So that's why I'm taking time to do this video. I want to reset our mind so we can keep up. So we need adequate information, like I said, in order to make it in Forex. And then 3, sometimes we need to take a break. Honestly, it's very important. You need to take a break in order to watch your psychological level, watch your head, your mental health. It is very important. Then 4, you need a job. You need a job. See, if you don't have money and then you're going into Forex, the truth is that you will fail. You would fail as long as you don't have money. and you're going into trading forex, you would fail. How will you fail? One, you would be distracted by your lack of money, and you'll be trading like you trade off greed, not through abundance, not with an abundant mindset. Oh yeah, I have money, even if I lose this trade, it doesn't matter, I'm still gonna win next time, I'm still gonna fund this account again. So if you don't have money, and then probably you took the little money you have and you invested it in forex thinking you will grow, maybe you do a good analysis, you do proper analysis, and then at the end you still lose. It's because you have not positioned your way well. You not position yourself at the right place to take those trades, at the right place to succeed. That's why you need something doing. You need to get a job. If you don't have a job, go get a job. Go get something that will fetch you money. Because forex is all about money. You invest and you withdraw. Until when you get to the level that forex has provided you with enough money that you can cater for yourself for the next 2 months without being affected by anything, then you can quit your day job and then focus on forex fully. But if you don't have any job currently, and then you are spending the little cash you're supposed to use in surviving, you're spending it in forex, you're already losing. Honestly, there's no two ways about it. You're already losing. So you need a job. That is very important, because if you don't have a job, it will mess with your psychology. Like I said, psychology, mental health is important. Because if you lose now, you want to revenge trading. You want to do revenge trading. Or most times you overtrade when you win, because you don't have any job. You want to make money from forex so that you can eat for the next day or survive for the next week. You will lose the small profits you made while you're trying to accumulate more. Because if you have something that is giving you money, once you've made profit, you step out of the market and give the market room to breathe, room to show new patterns and this thing. So that's why I said, if you don't have money, you're already failing in forex. Forget about it. You're not going far in forex. You're already doomed to fail. Yeah, that's true. A lot of mentors will tell you that you need money to trade forex. You need money. Honestly, you need money. Because why? Not as if you might invest all your money in forex, but your basic amenities like your day-to-day life, you need to eat, you need to change clothes, you need to take care of yourself, you need to understand all those things. So you need money in order to maintain a good psychology. And when you have a good psychology, you will be able to trade the forex market properly. You will know when to cut your loss short, and you know when to take profit and leave the market alone, because you're not living off forex. But when you're trying to live off forex and then you don't have anything to back up, you're really destroying yourself. So that's why I needed to make this video in order to refresh our mind. Then another thing is skill, man. You need to learn. Honestly, you need to learn as hard as you need to go in. You need to lock in, bro. You need to lock in, most especially with these revelations I'm giving you guys. You need to lock in and learn. Honestly, learn. I might not really be a good teacher. I might not really be fluent with my English and whatsoever, but I'm telling you the truth. What I'm telling you is nothing but the truth. You need to learn. Learn the skill, master it. Then once you understand the things you need and you can learn, like you can confirm your entries and exit without too much analysis or too much how should I even put it, as in, see, a confirmation entry is what matters a lot in forex, because a lot of people can analyze trades, but at the end they don't know how to get confirmation in order to enter that trade. Sometimes they enter and they are caught up on the train already, they are caught up on the move. Sometimes they do the analysis and they don't know when to enter, they don't know when to take profit. All those things matters a lot, honestly. That's why I said I'll teach everyone how to do a multi-time frame analysis, because you would be needing the lower time frames for your entry confirmation. Forget about what most people say, I trade at the 15 minute, at the this thing, at the blah. Honestly, you will need to scale down even up till the 1 minute, because that's where the money is. See those guys that all those big guys, the pro traders that stacking trades, they go to the 1 minute and make their decisions there. So you waiting at the 15 minutes, you don't really have much information. And when you can repeat those things, do it, and you keep repeating it, do it, and you keep repeating it, do it, and you keep repeating it, then tell me why you are not a professional trader. Because when you keep repeating it, it becomes a part of you. You don't need to rush trades again. You wait for quality trades. You know when to take your trades. You know when to exit. So when you keep doing it, it is rare for you. It is very rare for you to lose. Why? Because you have a system in place that checkmates you. And another thing is risk management. I almost forgot. Man, a lot of us don't know about risk management. Now let me make this clear to everyone. As a new trader, you are supposed to apply proper risk management. Honestly, don't follow the pro traders that always stack up trades anyhow. Now that you're starting up, if you want to survive in this game for a long term, you need to apply proper risk management. Honestly, you need to apply proper risk management. If you don't apply proper risk management, you won't last in this game for long. Why do I say you apply proper risk management? One, if you're working a 9-to-5 job or whatsoever, you are not looking. That's for those that want to take Forex as a lifetime job. You're not looking to work that 9-to-5 forever, because at some point you need to give in Forex your time. So that's why in every trade you take, you must apply risk management. Make sure you're always in profit, and when you're in profit, know when to take your profit and when to cut your loss, so that you can accumulate money for yourself, so that when it is enough for you, you can quit your 9-to-5 job and focus on Forex finally. And believe me, when you finally quit your 9-to-5 job and you have the skill set and you're very good at it, see, money will find you. You don't you see this money, you will be the one tired of the money, honestly, because money will find you. That's the truth. When you are good at that thing, money will find you. And the truth is that it's not like you'll be 100%, but the thing is, the more you keep doing it, the more you get better. Same as maybe learning a skill, and you keep on doing that skill, and you keep on upgrading. That's the same thing with Forex. The more you keep on focusing on Forex and being consistent, the more you get better and the more experience you gather. I don't want this video to be too long, so okay, before I stop, let me talk a little bit about why I almost gave up. I almost gave up, one, because of a lot of issues, family and the rest. Two, because I didn't have access to the right information, and I was always losing. I didn't have much information of how the market works. And three, because I didn't have a mentor, somebody to mentor me. I did self-learning, and self-learning is the hardest part of Forex trading. If you learn on your own, it is very difficult, but it is the best, because you have a whole lot of experience on you. You experience a whole lot of things that would sustain you for long in the game. So that's why self-learning is good, because you've already built up an experience that will last you for a long time in this game. Then why did I not give up? Okay, why did I still continue? The reason why I still continued was because I didn't see any other thing that would push me to my dreams, or that would push me up apart from Forex. I know that Forex will take me out of poverty and give me a better life. That is the reason why I continued, and I don't see myself stopping. I don't see it is Forex or nothing. That is what it is right now to me. It has gotten to that point that I said it is Forex or nothing at all. So that is the reason why I continue. And now I'm really seeing the benefit of learning, the benefit of the sacrifices I made in order to learn. I'm getting that benefit right now. So guys, I want to cut this video here. I don't want to keep us for too long. Now our next video is going to be about break of market structure, or market structure as a whole. We're going to be talking about market structure. We're carrying us through series of videos and topics that is going to help us get to where we want in order to be able to trade profitably. So I'm starting with market structure. Though a lot of you guys know about market structure, but I'm still going to take us on market structure. Then we'll go into trend line, we go into change of character, support and resistance, supply and demand. We'll be talking about a whole lot, because we need all those things in order to succeed in Forex. Honestly, we need all those things. So I think this is the end of this video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel, because you will not want to miss out from everything I'll be posting here. And then you have any comments to share, or maybe you have something you've been passing through, you have an issue with Forex, or probably anything about life, you can drop it in the comment section. What your challenges in Forex and whatsoever, you can share it. This is a family. You can share it so we all get to support each other, so you don't feel like you are alone. Please comment in the comment section. Tell us what you've been going through. Tell us the issues you've had with Forex. Tell us where you're lagging behind and the rest in the comment section. We are a whole one family. We're just one family. So just comment on this video and tell us what you've gone through, everybody. Thank you very much for staying true, and have a nice day. Bye.